Most blenders sound powerful but stall on frozen fruit and ice. This video ranks 7 smoothie blenders by wattage, blade speed, and crushing performance. One reaches 38,000 revolutions per minute. Stay until the final verdict. The winning pick might surprise you. All the products link in the description. Let's get started. Number 7. nutribullet Ultra 1200W. Quietest personal blender with titanium-coated blades. Most personal blenders are loud, bulky, and leave fibrous chunks behind. The nutribullet Ultra handles all 3 complaints quietly. A 1200-watt motor powers titanium-coated stainless steel rapid extractor blades, reducing blending time while extending blade lifespan beyond standard stainless alternatives. 2 blending options keep operation simple: a full automated smoothie cycle or manual pulse control through a glowing touch interface. The compact 5-inch by 4.75-inch footprint fits tight counter spaces without crowding. 2 Tritan Renew cups in 32 ounces and 24-ounce sizes use 50% certified recycled content, remaining BPA-free, shatter-resistant, and dishwasher-safe. Blades carry a separate 5-year limited warranty. For solo users wanting fast, quiet, single-serve smoothies without complicated controls or large countertop footprints, this delivers consistent daily performance. Number 6. Oster Pro 1200 with glass jar. Dual-direction blade technology with thermal shock-resistant glass. Most blenders push ingredients in one direction, leaving chunks stuck above the blade. The Oster Pro solves that with patented dual-direction blade technology that alternates forward and reverse motion for thorough ingredient breakdown. 7 speeds include 3 pre-programmed settings covering the most common blending tasks. The 3.5-inch wide blade system pulls ingredients downward more efficiently than narrower alternatives. A 6-cup Boraclass glass jar resists thermal shock for hot and cold blending without cracking risk. Ice crushing draws 900 watts for hard frozen ingredients. A 24 ounces to-go smoothie cup adds single-serve convenience. The all-metal drive earns a 10-year Duralast warranty, the longest coverage in this group. For users wanting glass construction and multi-directional blade precision, this delivers strong daily value. Number 5. Vitamix VX 164 ounces. 1440W professional motor with laser-cut stainless blades. Vitamix built its reputation on one thing: blending things other machines cannot touch. The VX1 continues that standard. A 1440-watt motor drives laser-cut stainless steel blades through a precisely engineered 64-ounce container geometry that creates the Vitamix vortex effect, pulling ingredients continuously into the blade path for smooth, consistent results. 10 variable speed settings plus pulse control adjust textures from silky smoothies to chunky salsas without switching attachments. A self-cleaning program runs the container clean in seconds without disassembly. At 10.2 pounds, it sits heavier than compact alternatives but remains stable during high-speed operation. The 5-year limited warranty confirms durability expectations. For users wanting professional-grade blending performance and proven brand reliability at home, the VX1 justifies the investment consistently. Number 4. Hamilton Beach Power Elite 700W. Wave action system with 12 functions and glass jar. Not every household needs a 1,500-watt commercial machine for morning smoothies. The Hamilton Beach Power Elite proves that 700 watts handles daily blending effectively when paired with smart engineering. The patented wave action system continuously forces ingredients downward into stainless steel ice saber blades, preventing air pockets and uneven blending. 12 functions controlled by 5 buttons cover smoothies, protein shakes, ice crushing, pureeing, dicing, and chopping without complicated programming. A built-in pour spout delivers mess-free serving directly from the jar. The 40-ounce glass jar, lid, and removable blades are all dishwasher safe for complete post-use cleanup. At 5.6 pounds, it stays manageable on any countertop. A 3-year limited warranty supports long-term daily use. For budget-conscious buyers needing versatile daily blending without premium pricing, this delivers reliable value. Number 3. WantJoin 1800W Commercial Blender. 38,000 revolutions per minute motor with ETL certification and 10-year warranty. Home blenders struggle with frozen fruit, dense nuts, and fibrous vegetables. The WantJoin removes that limitation entirely. The 1800-watt pure copper motor reaches 38,000 revolutions per minute through a hardened 304 stainless steel 6-blade assembly, the highest RPM rating in this comparison. The The 70-ounce pitcher produces 8 servings per batch, reducing preparation time during family meals or small cafe service. 15 speed settings plus dedicated pulse control dial in precise textures for smoothies, soups, nut butters, and frozen desserts. An adjustable 1 to 5 minute timer enables unattended operation with automatic shutoff. Built-in overload and overheat protection prevent motor burnout during extended use. ETL certification confirms independent safety testing. Self-cleaning activates in 30 to 60 seconds with warm water and soap. A 10-year warranty covers long-term commercial and home reliability. Number 2. Chefman Obliterator 1380W. Auto blend technology with UL-approved safety certification. Most blenders require guesswork. Too much ice, wrong speed, inconsistent results. The Chefman Obliterator eliminates that with auto blend technology that analyzes ingredients and automatically adjusts blending settings for consistent output every cycle. A 1,380-watt motor drives stainless steel blades through a 48 ounces shatter-resistant Trident jar, handling ice, frozen fruit, and dense nuts without stalling. 5 manual speeds and pulse option allow hands-on texture control when needed. LED alerts notify users to fix the jar or add liquid before operation begins. The blunt blade safety design reduces cut risk during hand washing, while dishwasher-safe parts offer a second cleaning option. The 2024 Red Dot Design Award confirms aesthetic and functional design recognition. UL approved with a 5-year warranty. For users wanting intelligent automation combined with safety certification, this stands above standard manual blenders. Number 1. Ninja UltraCrush Pro 1500W. 1500W total crushing technology with 3-in-1 system. Most blenders do one job. The Ninja UltraCrush Pro does 3 without switching machines. A 1,500-watt motor powers total crushing technology through a 72-ounce pitcher that blasts frozen ingredients to snow-like consistency for resort-style frozen drinks and thick smoothies. An 8-cup food processor bowl handles precise vegetable chopping, salsa preparation, and sauce blending without a separate appliance. An 18 ounces single-serve cup with spout lid handles grab-and-go morning smoothies independently from the main pitcher. 4 speed settings: low, medium, high, and max. Keep daily operation straightforward without complicated programming. All parts are BPA-free and dishwasher-safe for fast post-use cleanup. The stacked blade assembly and Pro extractor blades optimize performance across all 3 vessel types. For users needing maximum blending versatility from a single machine, the UltraCrush Pro leads this entire comparison. Which one should you buy? Best overall performance? Product number 1. A 1,500-watt motor, 3-vessel system, and total crushing technology deliver the most versatile blending performance in this group. Best for families needing a blender, food processor, and single-serve cup in one machine. Best professional power? Product number 3. At 38,000 revolutions per minute with ETL certification and a 10-year warranty, it leads on raw motor performance. Best for heavy daily use, large batch preparation, and users needing commercial-grade reliability at home. Best value pick? Product number 4. Wave action system, 12 functions, glass jar, and dishwasher-safe parts deliver strong daily performance at the lowest wattage investment. Best for budget-conscious buyers needing reliable everyday blending. Match wattage, jar capacity, and program range to household size and daily blending frequency before purchasing. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and share it with others. All products by links in the description. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos.